Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to import and edit files from Google Drive in Canva so we can easily access and customize our documents, images, and videos in one place. This makes our workflow faster and more convenient. On our Canva dashboard, if we want to edit files from Google Drive, we first go to Google Drive and download the files we want to edit. To download, we just right-click the file and select Download. We wait for it to load. Once it finishes downloading, the file will appear on our desktop. Next, we upload the file to our projects and then click on a blank project. This will be our blank project. Now, we upload our files to Canva. We just need to click Select Files, and here is our project in Canva. Once the upload is complete, we click on it and it will appear in our Canva project. Now we can start editing. We can sharpen and adjust the image. We can also add filters. The style is completely up to us. That's how we import and edit Google Drive files in Canva in just a few simple steps. We can now work seamlessly across both platforms and create designs more efficiently.